Black holes, they can swallow stars, bend time itself and destroy anything that gets too close. But if we made one right here on Earth, how big would it need to be to actually destroy our planet?
Alright, quick crash course. A black hole happens when too much stuff is crammed into too little space. This cosmic vacuum cleaner is so dense that not even light can escape it. There are many kinds, some as small as an atom, others bigger than entire solar systems. But here's the interesting part. Everything has something called a Schwarzschild radius, the size it needs to shrink to in order to become a black hole.
Even Earth has one. If you squished all of Earth's mass into a space just 9mm across, you would get a black hole. I mean, all of us know 9mm is pretty big, and I'm sure it has a great
Pause. Let's not do that. Okay, but what if we try to make a black hole? Would it be bad? Yes. Some people thought that when we build giant particle colliders, they might accidentally create tiny black holes. And that's bullshit. And even if they could, those baby black holes would evaporate instantly because of Hawking radiation. They would just go poof and disappear. Alright, but what if we went bigger? Let's say we create one with the mass of a large mountain. Something around 1,000,000,000,000,000,000 kilograms. Sounds huge, right? But it would only be about 1 femtometer across, which is literally the size of a proton. Okay, let's level up. What if we made a black hole as massive as an asteroid, about 1000 times heavier than the mountain? Now we are looking at something roughly 1 nanometer across, about the size of a virus. At first, things would look fine, but over a few thousand years, the black hole would slowly pull the surrounding matter, and then Earth would just be gone. For the final boss, what if we made a black hole as heavy as the moon? About 100,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000 kilograms. Guess what? It would still only be 0.1 millimeter across, about the thickness of a human hair. Our planet would collapse around it, the crust would shatter like glass, and the entire planet gone. People will call me a madman, but I need to do this for science. I have no other option left. By the way, if you subscribe right now, you officially get a seat on my spaceship to escape Earth before it turns into a tiny dot.